Hello! Today I'm going to talk about the ColorMates blush and brush. So this is in the Sun-Kissed Tan color of blush, and blush is considered to be like an essential makeup item. It helps add color and depth to your cheeks, and personally I don't often use blush. I don't often use any kind of makeup on my skin, but if I do use it, it's blush. And I only really do it for special occasions, but some people use blush every single day. And I find that, blush is great for accentuating your cheekbones. So if you're looking for a way to do that, blush is probably the way to go. And I bought this a few months ago for special occasions. It's this compact powder here, and as you can see, it's kind of glossy. It's not matte. It does have that sheer kind of shimmery effect, so just keep that in mind. It's very pigmented, so a little goes a long way. And I have a very pale complexion myself. It really stands out on me, and I definitely like these bronzy colors. This is it's not a bronzy color, it's like a pinkish tannish color. I don't know if you can see that very well, but it definitely is not bright pink, which I don't like, because then I look like a little doll, in my opinion, and that's not the look I'm going for. But I definitely like to spice things up this way. And the reason they say blush and brush is because usually in this area right here, there is a brush that comes with it. And it's a little black brush, but I threw it out, to be honest. I got rid of it because I didn't like it. I didn't feel like it was flimsy. It just didn't work well with my face. It didn't blend into my skin. I use a regular blush brush or contour brush for my skin with this blush. If you get this brand new, you'll get it with a little brush though. Just try it out in different ways and see what works for you. I found that the little blush brush was so flimsy and plasticky, and it just was falling apart when I got it. However, the blush itself is amazing, and I didn't want that to go to waste because of one little utensil that didn't work out for me, right? It blends in so well with my skin, so there's no sharp edges or anything like that. I feel like it is very high quality, and it works really well for sensitive skin, and I definitely have sensitive skin. So as you can see, it's like this shimmeringness. I mean, obviously you have to add more to your hand, but my fingers are already quite pink. I garden a lot, so my nails are not wonderful right now, but my skin really likes this because it blends in so well, and it doesn't look too dramatic. And it does last a long time. Like for me, when I go out with it, it lasts all evening. So I don't need to periodically excuse myself to go touch up my makeup and have to deal with that. I just can rely on it, so that's nice. But it does come off easily with makeup remover. Even if you just use soap and water, it's very simple, it just comes off. The compact container is great for traveling. So if you're traveling around, then it's a great small container to put in your bag, your carry-on, or your luggage. When I go out on the town, I can just put it in my luggage or in my purse, I would say. There is no mirror that comes with it. As you can see, it's clear here, so just keep that in mind. You'll have to get a separate mirror if you need a mirror. They definitely have many different shades to choose from. Definitely check out the different ones when and how they apply to your skin tone when you're getting it. It is great if you're new to makeup. It's not a complicated product, very straightforward blush, and it's just very smooth. It's not oily, but it's not powdery, and it doesn't fall everywhere. It is a great idea for a makeup lover, someone who just got into makeup, I would say. It's just a really nice pigmented blush for what it is. And ColorMates Cosmetics is a cruelty-free brand. This is 0.31 ounces. And they're founded in 1998. It is unscented. You don't have to worry about any irritations or weird smells. And it's definitely very easy to apply. It's not waterproof. Yeah, so definitely check out this brand and check out this product if you're looking for a nice everyday blush. Thanks so much for watching.